Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making access safe and easy. Park level, apply the parking brake, power down the hybrid system, and wait about 10 minutes for capacitor discharge. Once done, remove the glove box or passenger panel, use a flat pry tool to release clips and a 10 mm socket if bolts appear. Make sure to keep screws organized, label them if necessary. You're creating clear access to the filter housing so the next steps are straightforward and damage-free. You'll now remove the old element carefully. First, unclip or unscrew the housing cover. Use controlled force to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Pull the old filter straight out, observing any airflow arrows and noting its orientation. That's critical when installing the new one. Inspect the cavity. Vacuum loose debris and wipe with a clean cloth. If you find oil or heavy dirt, repeat cleaning. You're preventing premature clogging and ensuring the replacement runs efficiently from the first start. You finish by installing the new filter with arrows aligned to the vehicle's airflow, seated evenly without folding or forcing. Close the housing and fasten all clips or screws. Make sure panels snap back without gaps. Once reassembled, power up the system, run the blower at multiple speeds, and listen for unusual noise while checking airflow from vents. If things go wrong, recheck the filter orientation and housing seals. Improper seating is the most common issue and is quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.